Hello everybody, it's me, Charlotte. I know it has been forever since I've made a video, but I just had to share this with you guys and I couldn't wait. But this is what I saw the other night on the internet. It's just a dandelion in a jar. I'm calling it a wish in a jar. It was just a photo I saw. I don't know who thought of this idea or who created it originally. I just saw the photo and I decided, well, I could probably remake that. So this is my attempt on remaking it, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it was so easy and I think it's so cute. Like I said, I'm calling it a wish in a jar. It would make a cute gift. For anything. I think it's cute. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's really easy. It's really fast. So this video is going to be pretty quick, I'm hoping. So you only need 5 things to make this. First is the jar. We're just going to reuse this jar because this is just a jar I had laying around. So we'll reuse this jar, and then you're going to need, of course, a dandelion. And this is right after it has flowered, the yellow flower, and then it seals back up or it closes back up, and then you get the wish flower. You still want one that is sealed though, that has not opened yet. So you need one of these. You need a rock. This is just a rock that I grabbed out of the driveway, nothing special, but of course use your, creativity. You could use a piece of wood, you could use a really nice pretty rock, you could use just about anything. You just need something to go along the base like so. Then you're gonna need some beading wire. This I got from the dollar store, super cheap, and it's super thin, but it works just fine, and it was pretty cheap, but it's for like crafts and jewelry. Just some beading wire, and then a pair of scissors. Now these are just an old pair of eyebrow scissors I had laying around. Like I said, that wire is super thin, so these work fine. And if you guys have seen one of my most popular videos, me and scissors, we just use what works, and sometimes they don't always work. But let's just get started, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, first you're going to take your dandelion and you want to cut the stem. So you just want to cut it. You got to kind of measure with your jar. Like, here's my jar. Where do I want it in my jar? I'm saying about there's probably good. So I'm just going to cut the stem. And then you're going to get some wire. Now again, this is very thin wire, so it works pretty well. You just want to take a nice amount of wire, because what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this wire around that rock, and we're going to shove the rest of the wire up this stem of the dandelion so it stays like this. Pretty easy, not complicated at all, and like I said, it's fun to make. It'd make a cute gift. You can just give a gift of like a wish in a jar. So what you're going to do, you cut your wire. I have a pretty nice length here. And then you're just going to run this wire up the stem of the dandelion, like so. And then you're going to take your rock, and you're going to take the rest of this wire, and you're going to wrap it around your rock. Now you can do this to make it look decorative, pretty, I don't care. However you want to do it. And then you just take it and you stand it up like so, like that. And then you take your jar, you put it in your jar, and then you put that back over top. And there you have your dandelion, your wish in a jar. Now that will start to open. The first one I did, this one, it took a couple hours and it opened up. And it's been like this for a day or two. So yeah, that's how easy it is, you guys. It's super easy. They're fun to make. And like I said, I think they'd make a really cute gift for somebody, or just for yourself. Put it on your little shelf. Make a wish. All right, that is all I wanted to share with you guys today. Again, I know it has been forever. I plan on making another video more in depth just to catch up. But today I just wanted to share with you guys my wish in a jar. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.